So I bought this Vitamix 7500 model 5 years ago, and it's still my favorite kitchen item. I'll tell you why. It's worth every penny that I spent on it. So Vitamix 7500 model comes with a giant 64-ounce container. I normally make more than 2 cups of smoothie or soup for my family, so this works great. But if you are thinking about buying a container for just one person, I would recommend half of the size, which is 32 ounce. For a smaller batch, that will work better. So when you plug it in, you have to turn this button on before you turn any other buttons on and off for safety reasons. On. And then you can do this start and stop button. After you start it, you can pause it right here to create different textures. There's also different levels of speed, 1 to 10, for different textures, again, for like salsa or dough, smoothie, soup, frozen dessert. This thing works great. So the container has a rubber top. In the middle is very thick plastic. You twist it and open it like that. And this place is for the temper that comes with it. You can stick it inside to break up thick and stubborn blends like that. Like if you're just blending ice or frozen strawberries, you can kind of move them into the middle and blend them. And take it out, put the cap back on, put it in, and twist it. For the base area, it's a rubber too. Super easy for cleaning for any spills. You can take the whole thing off and clean it with a wet towel. So this Vitamix 7500 model gives me the best texture for smoothies, just like store-bought. You come here, turn it on. There's milk, frozen strawberries, banana, turn up the speed. And I put a tablespoon chia seeds and a little bit of stevia. I got questions from friends like, does it blend up chia seeds or strawberry seeds, those little tiny seeds? Yes, it does. It blends up most of them, but it might miss a few, which is not a problem for me. Super smooth.
Super smooth.
If you look at the container, you know what I'm talking about. Like there's a few chia seeds got missed and stuck on the side. Besides that, everything is blended up smoothly and beautifully. You don't taste anything crunchy in there because I put it on the highest speed. So for cleaning, I put 1 drop of soap. You put some water in there. Cover it up. Normally, if I don't put enough water in it, it won't get the top. So I would just like let it sit in the sink till the soapy water all ran out from the top, and then rinse it off with water.